Hello and welcome to the Also Revolution podcast. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I would love if you would check out my channel. If you like what you see, comment, share, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so when your girl go live or drop a podcast or any other content, you will be notified. And trust me, you won't be disappointed. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, also love you, love you, love you. Now let's get into it. So y'all, today I'm going to be talking about life insurance. What is life insurance? Life insurance is a contract between an insurer and a policyholder. Life insurance helps out by covering funeral arrangements and replacing income and paying off debt. How life insurance works? Life insurance works by you paying premiums to the insurance company while you are still alive. When you are unalive, your beneficiaries or beneficiary file a claim with the insurance company, and the insurance company pays the debt benefit to your beneficiary or beneficiaries. Benefits of having a life insurance policy is a financial security. It helps your loved ones pay for living expenses, bills, educational savings. Some policy bills cash value over time. Living benefits, some policies pay out a portion of the debt benefit while you're still alive. There are different types of life insurance policies. They have term, they have life. Um, Life covers you for life. It's just what it is. Term life insurance has different terms. So one term life insurance policy might cover you for 10 years. They might have one for 20, 30. It just depends on what term life you select. But that's all it is. Term life is just for a certain amount of time. And if it's for 30 years, once you reach that 30 years, that insurance has term. You will have to get it a life insurance policy. But when it comes to whole life, it's typically like it says, it's your whole life as long as you keep paying the premiums. Premiums are based on factors like your age, gender, health, and family medical history. Some people may ask, can I use my life insurance while I'm still alive? The answer to that is yes. You can use life insurance while you're alive. The benefits depend on the type of policy and the options you choose. Some life insurance policies allow you to access a portion of your own life benefit if you have a terminal illness. Some insurance policies have a cash value, which means permanent life insurance policies like whole life and universal life have cash value that you can use while alive. They also have on some insurance policies where it's like a loan where you can borrow against your policy if you have enough of cash value. They also have on some policies withdrawals. You can withdraw money to pay for expenses. They have something called long-term care on some policies, where some policies have riders that can help pay for long-term care. Retirement. You can add life insurance to your retirement. And they have something where you can sell your policy, which means you can sell your policy for the cash value. But just remember, if you surrender, meaning sell your policy, if you surrender your policy, You receive the cash value minus the surrender charges and outstanding policy expenses. Okay? So you can surrender your policy, but they do charge you a surrender charge. So once you surrender your policy, then you will have to decide if you want to reapply for another policy or if you're just going to go without any coverage. Also, the benefits of life insurance vary based on the type of policy and the options you choose. So if you already have a life insurance policy, get with your agent or your insurance company and go over your benefits. Go over your policy to see what policy you have. And if you're looking for a new insurance company to get a new policy, before you sign up, go over all the different policies. Educate yourself on them so you will know what benefits is right for you. So I was gonna do one podcast on life insurance policies, but it's so much more. Like it's so much more than what I just went over right now. And I didn't want to cram so much up into one podcast. So I'm gonna do two parts to life insurance. Next week will be part two, the last part of life insurance, just to give you a better understanding on life insurance, how it works, and whatever. Um, so yeah, I think I'm gonna do two because it's so much more that goes on into life insurance policies. As you can see, I just named a couple of different things that you can do with your insurance policies. A lot of people didn't know that they can borrow money against it or get money from it. Some people just think, oh, when someone passes away, we contact the insurance company and they pay for funeral expenses. There's so much more that goes into a life insurance policy that you can do. So I will do a part two next week on it just to educate and give more information so people can have a better understanding on life insurance. So next week will be part two. So I hope everyone enjoyed this podcast. I hope everyone has a little better understanding on life insurance. And if you do have a policy already, please go over your insurance policies, see what you have, what you don't have, what you can do, what you can't do. And if you don't understand your policy, please reach out to your agent, reach out to your insurance company, and ask questions. Please ask questions while you can. So I'll see y'all next week. And remember, love, live, and laugh. Bye.